Happy Sunday, guys! It's your favorite chef Ella with the magic fingers. Sunday fried rice made by yours truly. Yes, I made the fried rice myself with a little assistance from mom, my sister, and brother. Mom did the stirring, bro did the dishes, sis chopped the veggies for the coleslaw. Started by cooking the meat, went ahead to air fry and kept aside. I parboiled and cooked the rice, then went ahead to fry the veggies, which I mixed with the rice. Voila! Fried rice is ready. Rate my cooking skill from 1 to 10 in the comment section. Thank you and bye bye. It's a